Good evening. Thank you for tuning in to Technology episode number 3. I also want to thank you if you watched the other episodes. Today we're going to continue talking about the Blackberry Playbook. The last episode was about the unboxing of the device and everything that came inside the box. This episode I just want to give you a brief overview of the device itself, what it does, what it looks like, just some quick functionality of the device. So as we see, the Playbook once again. When you look at the screen right here, there are really no buttons at all. There's nothing you can touch to close anything. The only button, matter of fact, on the device is at the top. You have a power button right here, and then you have your volume up, volume down, and a play and pause button in the middle. And quick trick is, if you hold down the volume up and volume down at the same time, it gives you a screenshot. Anyways, we're going to talk to you about the device today and the functionality, exactly what it does. The fact, how do you open and close a program when there's no buttons on the device? I'll show you. As we see here, this is just the basic screen of the Playbook. Your basic apps that are running. If you want to get to your whole app selection, you push all, you slide things up. This device is very, very sensitive, very fast. You open up an app, it's pronto. I can show you what I'm talking about with the web browser right here. What you do is just push the browser, opens up. Got a couple preset websites on there for you. Matter of fact, let's try one that's not on there. Let's go to CNN.com. CNN, it has the .com button for you. Let's see how fast this loads up. And I'm sorry if it's not very clear. Sunlight plus other lighting has it looking like that, but just bear with me. We're doing the best we can. So I have CNN.com typed in. Let's go ahead and push enter and get to that. Go. Okay, came up very fast. Wow. Now I'm sure most of you all have used some kind of tablet or touch screen device for the internet before. If you notice the animation right there, the reason that's moving and you're able to see that is because of the Adobe Flash player inside the device. Unfortunately, your iPad and your iPhone do not have that, so you will not be able to, get that aspect of the page, but you will be able to get everything else. When you surf the websites, you can easily, it's a real sensitive, fluid motion. You do the zooming with your fingers like that, zoom in, zoom out, and you also can basically surf up and down just one swipe. Very similar to the iPad, but in my opinion, it's a little bit smoother. So what would you want to do, if you needed to minimize this, what would you do? There's no buttons, no tasks, minimization options. What you do in the Blackberry Playbook is go like this. You take your finger, start at the bottom, just slide it up. When you slide it up, it minimizes it. If you wanted to get rid of the device, of the program, period, you just take your finger, slide it up again. It's gone. Okay. So that being said, let me show you another interesting feature of this device. If we were to play a video really quick, this is just a demo that came with it. If we minimize the video, it's still going to play. So if I had a calendar thing or a website information over here I wanted to read, I could also view this at the same time, very small. And it goes over. We can open up the camera if we want to. We open up the camera or open up any app, it's going to stop whatever was playing. If we go like this, like I said before, the camera is still functioning. Now you can't really see, but yeah, see the camera is still on. But continuing on with the device, I was just showing you all how to minimize and open programs really quick. Let me also show you how you get to menus. To access a menu in a certain application, let's go back to that internet browser. You would use this part up here. This little drop down menu comes down just like this. And how do I get to that? I just touch the top of the device and slide my finger down. Okay. Click on this to open that up. Now if you want to just minimize this whole thing, here's another shortcut for you. Take your finger, go like this. That gets you to your next app you're playing. You see? On this side, do the same thing. So that's what makes the Playbook so functional and multitask pro, because you can just switch between apps like it's nothing. I'm serious. So to continue on with this, I want to just show you all one interesting feature really quick. It's called the Blackberry Bridge right here. The Blackberry Bridge basically links up to any Blackberry device and shows you got your contacts, you have your Bridge browser. So if I was somewhere out and about in public, I didn't have any Wi-Fi anywhere, and I needed to get the internet signal, I could use the browser off my Blackberry for my tablet. When I get an email, it comes up in the top corner right here. What you would do, instead of opening up your phone, you just click in the corner right here, just like that. And I don't know if you all can see because of the clarity, but I can basically see any email that was sent to me. If I wanted to open it, I just tap right there. It would show that it's open on my cell phone as well. On my Blackberry, it's going to show that the email is open. I don't even have to worry about it. What you see is the email right here. Let me zoom in. And from this screen right here, I can actually choose to reply, forward. If we go to reply, we can type what we want to type, and then we send. Why am I telling you all this? Because if you have a Blackberry Playbook and you have a Blackberry phone, the functionality, the way that it works is just amazing. The way that it comes together, comes into two. You know, if somebody sends you an email from your phone, on your phone, straight to your Blackberry, and you're in a meeting, your Blackberry could be 30 feet away. You'll still be able to access the email right on here. You know, if somebody calls you and your phone rings loud while you're in a meeting, when the phone call, before the call even hits your phone, it's going to show you who's calling right here. And it gives you the option to turn the phone off as well, the ringer. So in the future, they're talking about within the next 2 months, Blackberry Messenger will be available for the Playbook. I'll be able to message somebody, text somebody right from the phone. You can basically do everything except call. You know, they probably have an app for that one day. So I don't want to sit here and talk your head off forever, but thank you for tuning in. The next review that we're going to do is we're going to do a size comparison of the iPad and the Playbook. As you see, you know, it already fits in there. It's no comparison. But we're going to get into the actual device, you know, the pros and cons of each one. And, you know, there's really no clear way to tell a winner because they're both developing and, you know, ongoing devices that get better every day. But we can tell you the immediate pros and cons. So I just want to thank you for taking the time to view this. Thank you. Have a good day. And stay tuned for more Technolo-G. Appreciate it.